Comment statements in Java. Comments in Java are statements that describe the features of a program. It allows the programmers to compose and express their thoughts related to the code independently. It is a good habit to write comments related to code in a program. Java comments are not executed by the compiler and interpreter. During compilation, the Java compiler omits all comments, ensuring that the execution and performance of the program remains unaffected. Why should we write comments in Java program? We should write comments related to the code because comments help programmers who read your code understand your thoughts. This means that comments increase the readability and understandability of the program. So, if a program is understandable, then it helps others to easily follow our code. If other members of the application development team do not understand our program, then they may not be able to implement it in the project and will reject. Types of comments in Java. There are 3 types of comments in Java that are as follows: single-line comment, multi-line comment, Java documentation comment. Single-line comment. It is used for making a single line as a comment. Single-line comment is also called inline comment that provides brief summary comments for a single line. It begins with a double slash symbol // and after this, whatever is written till the end of the line is considered as a comment. Multi-line comments. These comments are used for commenting several lines as comments. Multi-line comments begin with slash and end with slash. In between slash and slash, whatever will be written will be treated as a comment by Java, and everything will ignore by Java compiler until it finds a slash. Java documentation comments. These comments begin with slash and end with slash. Java documentation comments are used to provide explanations for every feature in a Java program. Best practices for writing comments in Java. Writing effective comments in Java or any other programming languages requires adhering to some best practices. They are as: keep comments concise, clear, and to the point, ensuring they add value without being verbose. Use clear and descriptive language to explain complex algorithms, functions, or classes. You should also update the comments accurately when you update the code. Avoid redundant comments. Only add comments when necessary. Avoid write